Tesla's Model 3 includes active hood pedestrian safety feature. Tesla has added a few new safety features to the refreshed Model 3, including an active hood feature, designed to offer increased protection in the case of a collision with a pedestrian. Tesla details the active hood feature in the Model 3 owner's manual in markets where the refreshed vehicle is currently sold. Upon colliding with a pedestrian or cyclist, Tesla says, the car's hood will pop up to reduce the likelihood of serious injury. Deployment of the active hood feature will immediately result in a touchscreen alert and a collision chime. And Tesla says that drivers should immediately bring the Model 3 into a service center following deployment. Multiple sensors at the front of the vehicle are designed to detect an impact with a pedestrian when Model 3 is moving between approximately 30 and 52 km/h, and raise the rear portion of the hood automatically approximately 80 mm, writes Tesla in the owner's manual. This increases the space between the hood and the components beneath it, reducing the likelihood of injuries. Tesla also notes that the system relies on sensors and algorithms to determine when the active hood feature should be deployed, meaning that it's possible for the feature to deploy when the Model 3 collides with animals, other vehicles or other objects, and it's possible for it not to deploy in some pedestrian collisions. Although the feature was previously available in the Tesla Model S and X and only in some regions as noted in European owners' manuals, it isn't included with the pre-refresh Model 3, and it can't be seen in the vehicle's US owner's manual. The feature has also been used in other cars in the past beyond Tesla's brand. Along with the active hood feature, ex-user teslaupdate notes that the new Model 3 includes several other active and passive safety features, including double dampeners on the trunk and metal hooks that keep the doors aligned in case of a crash. The Model 3 Highland has quite a few active passive safety and comfort improvements. Double-powered dampeners on the trunk, metal hooks on the doors, keeps them aligned in a crash. Active hood for additional pedestrian protection in case of a crash. Tesla's Model 3 Highland was named the best car you can buy in Norway earlier this week. And the redesigned vehicle has been delivering across Europe, Asia, and elsewhere over the past couple of months. The vehicle is still not available in North America, though it's expected to become available in the region in early 2024. Tesla China loads up another batch of upgraded Model 3 for export. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.